Today, we're diving into Numo Labs, an AI productivity platform that claims to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's take a closer look and see if it's worth your time and investment. Numo Labs presents itself as a comprehensive AI productivity tool designed to help users manage tasks, automate workflows, and enhance collaboration. At its core, it integrates various features like task management, scheduling, and project tracking, aiming to provide a seamless user experience. What stands out immediately is the intuitive interface, which feels user-friendly even for those who might not be tech-savvy. However, while the platform claims to support teams of all sizes, it seems to cater more to startups and small businesses. One area that feels a bit unclear is how Numo Labs differentiates itself from other productivity tools on the market. There's a lot of buzz about its AI capabilities, but specifics on how these features work in practice are somewhat lacking. Users might find themselves wanting more detailed explanations or examples to truly grasp its potential. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Numo Labs offers a clean interface and solid integration options, which can really enhance workflow efficiency. The automation features are a nice touch, especially for repetitive tasks, saving users valuable time. However, there are some drawbacks. The pricing structure isn't the most transparent, which may deter potential users looking for straightforward options. Plus, the lack of detailed customer feedback on reliability raises some trust concerns. It may also not suit larger organizations, as some features could feel limited when scaled up. If you're a solopreneur or part of a small team, you might find it beneficial, but larger teams might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Numo Labs seems like a decent option for small teams looking to boost productivity with AI tools. However, if you're part of a larger organization or need more robust features, you might want to explore other platforms. Overall, it's worth a try, but do your research first to ensure it fits your needs.